Deck frame, diving deep into English phrases. Hello there, welcome to another episode of English Unfolded. Today, we are going to explore the phrase, deck frame. You might have heard of it, or maybe you haven't. Either way, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it. Let's get started. First, let's dissect the two words, deck and frame. Deck. A deck often refers to a flat, usually outdoor area, like the surface of a ship or the area outside of a house where people might relax or have barbecues. Think of a wooden platform that is slightly elevated from the ground. Frame. A frame is a rigid structure that surrounds or encloses something like a door or a picture. When we think of a frame, it's about providing structure or support. Now, combining these two words gives us the term deck frame. A deck frame refers to the supportive structure beneath the surface of a deck. Imagine the skeleton of a body. It's what holds the deck together and ensures it's strong and sturdy. Without a proper deck frame, the deck wouldn't have the necessary support and could collapse. So, in essence, when someone talks about a deck frame, they're talking about the underlying structure that supports the visible part of the deck. Now that we understand the term, let's look at how it can be used in sentences. 1. We need to check the deck frame for any damages before we lay down the new planks. 2. Building a strong deck frame is crucial for the longevity of the deck. 3. The carpenter suggested using pressure-treated lumber for the deck frame to prevent it from rotting. These sentences give us an idea of the different contexts in which the term can be used, primarily focusing on construction and maintenance of a deck. And there you have it. The phrase, deck frame, demystified. Remember, it's all about the support and structure underneath the visible part of a deck. We hope this video helped in enhancing your understanding. Keep exploring, keep learning, and see you in the next episode of English Unfolded. Cheers!